Hello and welcome back to the channel. This is Just Fact Reviews, and we will be going over a tool see on my screen now. Marky promises is a 30 days of content within 5 minutes. It's a social media marketing tool. Okay, so we're going to take a look at the pricing, but I want you to know before we start, this is the actual site, and that they do have a deal right now. I'm not sure how long it will be up for on AppSumo, and the pricing difference between the two is what I'd like to show you now. So if we go into Marky's pricing. Okay, you can see that they do offer a free beginner plan, but it only allows you to generate 10 posts and then you will be charged, or you have to pick another plan. 10 free posts without using a credit card. Then they have their personal plan, which is all, it looks like all their plans start at $1. And then you can see here in very fine print that they go up to $19 a month and $38 a month and $164 a month, but that is an agency plan. So let's look at the personal plan. It has one business like allowed in it. So I guess it would allow you to have multiple social accounts, um, all within one business type. So let's say if you owned a restaurant or something, you would only advertise a restaurant, maybe on Twitter, Pinterest, all those type of things like Facebook fan page, stuff like that. But it says we're allowing one posting time per day. So now that's just one post per day or one posting time per day, and 200 generated posts per month. 4 connected socials. So you can have 4 social accounts on that one. So I kind of opted for the second one as it was it's $38 a month on here right now. But what it does is offer you 2 businesses. Now the one that I can show you right now, if we go over to, but it's unlimited posts per month. If we go over to AppSumo, you'll see, I'll scroll down to this, the pricing chart that they have here. Okay, here we go. And you can see their tier 1 plan offers 3 brands. So I believe that's 3 businesses included. Still schedule 1 post per day and up to 300 posts generated per month. The tier 2 option, sorry, that's what I was saying I went for, at 139 offers 6 brands. Okay, so myself, I probably only have about 3 right now, so 6 is more than enough for me. It also allows you to schedule unlimited posts per day and up to 3,000 generated posts per month, which I probably will not be doing for quite some time. Then they have a tier 3 plan, which is, I guess, similar to their agency plan. Now, noticing that these prices are a little bit higher, but you're realizing that for that 139, you have it for a lifetime. So you'll be able to make those posts to your social media accounts for a lifetime, as opposed to paying over here on Marky on the normal site. Once these deals go by, this will be $38 monthly. Okay, so knowing that with AppSumo, sometimes you do get the better deal in the fact that if you are willing to gamble on that the product will be along for years to come, you are going to get the win in the end with purchasing the plan that's going to be a one-time payment today, maybe for a little higher price, but you will have a lifetime use of it. So let's go back and see the features on this page. I'm just going to scroll right back. Now, one of the unique things I like about Marky is that they seem to have a feature here where you're going to insert your URL, and then it's going to go to your actual URL. Like, let's say you have the website or the, I guess, landing page or something like that, or product you wish to be marketing, and it will pull all the information from that site and make you posts. So it'll show you here, if you go on the site, it'll show you a little rundown of how that works. But if you look below, there are some posts, and I was quite impressed with the way they look. So it's going to make posts for your different socials that look like this. And I find these are some very nice looking posts. They'll be branded and all that type of stuff like that within your paid account. Okay, so I've taken the liberty of signing up for a free account. And as you can see right here now, when you land on the page, you tell us about your business. So you could describe what you're promoting, that type of thing. Uh, It'll pull up your logo or your headshot. It'll get the colors for your business. You could input your social handles and your suffix and your hashtags. You can put in your phone number and how did you hear about them. I would say I actually heard about them online and maybe AppSumo, one of the two first, and then you can hit continue. But the really cool thing that you can do here instead is if you don't want to do all that, right, they have an option. All right, so there could autofill from your website. So Liberty, just go ahead and get the URL of their site. Now it says scan the entire site or scan a single page. I'm just going to choose this option to scan the entire site. Hit continue. And I'm going to leave the screen on here so you can see exactly what this tool will be able to do for you in your business. So you've created your site, or you've gone to the site of the product that you want to promote, and you should watch and see what this thing's able to do. The computer's lagging a little bit. I'll just come back when it has done. So sorry, as you can see, I put in the URL. It came back here, it brought me the logo. It put in a description, I believe, or some info. It filled in the social hand. You would have to go and put in your hashtags for that if you want. The phone number of the company. So let's say if you're using it for an agency, you get the phone number for them or for yourself. And then how did you hear about us? I'll just put in this instance. If I know about it, all that. Then see here, it's going to start reading your content. So it's going to understand your business. Check. Find your target audience. Search web for trending topics. Choose branding. Creating content ideas for your socials, and optimizing for engagement. So I'll let it go. And then you can confirm your business details. So if you say here the industry is pet food, okay. The niche, emphasizing on using high quality meat focused protein sources. Two, free delivery of fresh pet food. This is all stuff that it got from just you putting in the email and stuff. I mean, the URL of where you wanted this thing to go. And it pulled all these things up on its own. So the brand is a tone, is informative, caring, and trustworthy. It aims to provide pet owners with the detailed information about the product's nutritional benefits and convenience of delivery services, and so on and so forth. The core values, list three right here. Your audience, it will find pet owners who prioritize their pet's health and well-being. So it's pretty good information that it comes up with here just from you inputting the URL. And there is space within here for you to add more things. So it comes up with a call to action, contact for personalized feeding recommendations, stuff like that. So once you go through all this information on this page here, you can go over the content topics. So if you click this arrow here, you'll see that it will give you the option to add more topics to it. So you can start with the topics that it's going to give you right now, and then in the future, if you see more things you'd like to add, the same for posting schedule, themes, and so on and so forth. So next, I'm going to hit that again. It'll suggest the time here, 10 a.m. Add another time. You can do that. Select the days that you want to publish. So you can take these away. These are clicked on right now. If I don't want to do any posts on Tuesday, it'll take that off and it'll run posts all week except for Tuesday at 10 a.m. You can even slightly throw them off with so they're not every day at exactly 10 a.m. by doing maybe 10 minutes off. 10 minutes before or after 10 a.m. so they're not always exactly 10 on the dot. The theme that, and then you hit 10. It will show you what your business, what they consider the best ones are for your business. So if you'd like to add one of these like minimalist, you can do that. But it's kind of good right now off the bat just to kind of go with what the ones they suggest for you. And again, you can continue. You obviously know it's really expensive to hire somebody to do this. You can get a lot done with your social media accounts by using this tool. Okay, this thing here is going to take you through all of the the screen to show you, kind of give you a basic walkthrough of what's on the screen. I'm not going to bore you with that now. I'll let that stop. But what I want you to see is, I'm going to stop that here. I want you to see that it's created a whole bunch of posts for you, and look at the quality of these posts. Remember that this is for a pet food situation, so that you can see if the posts are on point and all that type of stuff. Just give me 1 second here. So if you look at like something like this, for example, one post is unforgettable lessons after caring for your pet's well-being for 10 years. And down here they have, balanced diet is key, freshness matters for variety. Every stage of life has its needs. Learning these changed my life. And you can say show more and whatever. And if you scroll down the page, so let me scroll down this page here. You'll see there's a few posts created. It will create carousels and all that type of stuff. So I highly encourage anybody so for anyone who's looking to get a constant presence on the social media market, can see this thing also, and they're highly targeted posts towards things that you care about the most in your business. Okay. And like I said in the other page before, you can actually add things as time goes on. So you're not stuck with that, especially if you buy a plan where it's unlimited. You can add so many things to this and it can take care of all your social media marketing. They are going to be adding Pinterest and I believe TikTok in the near future. So I'm very excited about this tool. Like I said before, I'll leave a link at the bottom of this video so that anybody who's interested can go and check this out for themselves and see if it's something to have in your arsenal. Okay, folks, so until next time, this is Just Fact Reviews. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.